I'm Jeremy. Welcome to the First Grade Cafe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this puffy paint that you can use to make snowmen, polar bears, or whatever it is you want to make. We made these in our classroom. If you guys watched the vlog, you had seen that. I did perfect it a little bit more, got a little bit better. I'm going to show you guys how to make that. Let's go ahead and jump down to it. For the puffy paint, you're going to need something to mix it in. I do recommend something to stir it with. You're going to need glue, some shaving cream, and then of course you'll need your papers and stuff to make all your fun stuff with. I don't know the exact ratios. They said to do half and half glue, half this. They also said to put it in the refrigerator to cool it down. Not sure if that makes a huge difference, but that's what we did in the classroom and it seemed to work okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour our glue in. I don't know the actual ratios just because this foams up. The glue does not, so I'm not really sure if how they determine the actual ratios, but they did say half and half. I just kept pouring until I liked the consistency. Ew, this one smells different. It's funny because it's supposed to be for sensitive skin, and it does have a lot of perfume in it. And let me just see if I have any glue. But you could put glitter in it too. I tried glitter glue, and it did not work very well. So anyway, so we're just gonna mix it up. This here is kind of in the texture of marshmallow fluff. I did a little bit runnier, but that actually is pretty good too. But it does make a huge mess. So I'm gonna put a little bit more cream in it, like that. So I don't know, I think it's looking pretty good. So as you can see, it's really puffy. It is sticky. Just gonna take some blue paper and we are going to try painting with this. And I cannot find a foam brush. Oh, I did find one. Ooh, it has cat hair all over it. Let's try the foam brush first and see how that works out. Ooh, the foam brush does work a lot better. So we were using paintbrushes in the classroom and they did not come out very well. Zizzy Zoot, thank you for suggestion of the foam brush. So I did spoons, so the kids tapped it on. And they smeared it around. So anyway, so then we just kept piling it on, making our snowman. I do recommend putting it all down first before, and you do want it kind of clumpy. It's not gonna be a beautiful snowman, but so I will tell you though, it does make a huge mess with the kids, especially I did it with first graders, so it was a bit messy, but they loved it and it just washes off. It's like not a huge issue. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we need to start decorating our snowman. And what I had them do was just use the foam to glue down their pieces. I'll put their eyes on. And then in my classroom we use googly eyes. You can use just black pieces of paper. I'm using some orange to make a nose with. All right, so that's probably pretty good right there. So I just put all this stuff down and I just kind of lay it on top. So there's this hat, and again you can use a little dollop of the shaving cream stuff to put down this hat. There we go. So there you go. Basically that's kind of how you do a snowman using the puff paint. It does make quite a bit, so I just use like half a bottle of Elmer's glue, and like I said, I mean, you kind of saw, I don't know the measurement for this, but I just kept doing it until I got a good consistency, until it looks like, kind of like marshmallow fluff. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell notification to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on all of my social media. It's listed right down below. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.